Okay. It took so long to freaking come here. What?
We restarted.
Welcome date. Wait, that's my name.
Nobody does.
Find the eggs.
Okay.
Find the eggs. Find the eggs. Find the eggs. Oh, that's how you open it. Okay, what is this place? Backyard. Huh. Don't know what that means. Let's go follow these people. Let's go.
Yo, red.
What? What do you want?
How old are you, bro? How old are you?
Wait, what is that drawing?
How old are you?
10.
You're 10?
Yep.
Bro, you would have had blue ones. You would have blue ones.
I don't know why I have these. Wait, what's that drawing over there?
Bro, you're lying. You would have had blue ones. Cause I'm annoying. I'm annoying. Your turn, right? You would have blue ones.
What the? Ah! What? Here?
I keep on restarting.
I think it was just a dream or not. I don't know. Wait, why is there so much death? What is that? Okay, just... Let's go find that drawing again. That was... I can climb this up. Crap, I almost died falling. Almost did. Think it was just a dream or not? Wait a minute, I'm not dreaming. Hell, I'm not dreaming. I'm actually here. I am actually here. Am I dreaming or no? Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. Freak. My mind is not waking up. I'm not waking up. What? What is... Wait. What is that noise? It's coming from right here? But where? Why is my flashlight kind of flickering? My flashlight is flickering. I don't know why. If you see this, you're a beta. Huh. Flashlight keeps flickering. Oh crap. Okay. Oh wait, there's now only 2 dead bodies? Just gotta... What the hell was that though? Oh wait, my flashlight... Okay. Oh crap, my flashlight ran out of battery. Just... Man, let me put battery on the flashlight. Put it on my head. Okay. Now... It works. Yes, I did it. Boink! Okay, that was so close. That was like... Oh my god. You're so close. Okay. Why? Wow, web. Okay. Okay. There's nobody like here. There's a Sonic in yours. And my head. I just bumped into a wall. Again? Why do I keep bugging walls? I don't know. Why do I keep bug? Why? Is that Razzie? Wait, what is? No! It's the creature! It's the creature! Holy! Also, what is that?
Hey, buddy.
It's chasing us! Oh, hell no!
No, it's not.
Wait, what? Pretty sure. I think it's distracted by other. Never mind!
Or I can float. Let's do a speed run. I can fly though. I got mine. Me and you got mine. So watch me. Me and you got mine. Look. I'm in the blue. How do you die?
What the hell? He get up. Holy shit! What the hell is that? What is that? Dude, what the fuck is that? Dude, what the fuck is that? Okay. No! Holy crap! It's still chasing me. It's still chasing. I can't climb up here. I'm safe. Thank God I'm safe. Wait, there's two of them? I didn't know that there's two of them.
If you didn't know, there's two of them.
Okay.
There we go. You freaking love it. There we go. BBL. Red, talk. Wait, red, talk.
Wait.
Talk. Who called me?
What the?
Who called me?
Run! No, aspetta. Okay. Let's go find. Let's be sure. What's a do? I escaped the backrooms. I'm back to the quest home. Yes, I'm back home.